What's up, guys? How you doing? And welcome back to the channel. So today is a mail call. I normally don't do these except for like monthly knife club packages, but this thing is very important and I need you guys to pay attention because this might benefit you in the near future. Um, I was given this by Jimmy Crow, and I think most of you guys know who Jimmy Crow is, and I'll talk about him in a second. I was introduced to him through Kelly at Kelly's Mishmash. So Kelly, thank you very much. But Jimmy pretty much, he gets knives donated to him, or he comes out of pocket for them, mods them, customizes them, makes them all pretty and whatnot, and donates them to small channels like mine for giveaways, for milestones and things like that. So that's a thing that he does in the community. Very, very nice of him. And this one was actually donated to him by Sean at Watch City Knives. And don't worry, I'm going to put their Instagram names and stuff like that in the description so you guys can link up with them and everything. So yeah, Sean gave this to Jimmy. Jimmy modded it up. Kelly talked to Jimmy, and somehow I came in the mix, and here we are. So thank you, Sean. Thank you, Jimmy, and thank you, Kelly, for making this happen. And Jimmy, like I said, you're a very good dude, and what you do for your community is awesome. And small creators like me benefit. And I got a wonderful giveaway for my 300, which is coming up very soon. I think I'm at 291, so probably next week. So I'm only gonna have this thing for about a week, and then I got to give it away, which kind of sucks, but that's fine. Anyway, let's get into this package. I got this cheapo knife, which is actually pretty freaking good. And if you guys haven't seen this video, it was my last video. Don't worry, Jimmy. I'm not going to show your address to nobody, anything like that. Let's see if I cut it enough. Very sharp, this little guy. Look at this. And oh, there's a bunch of stuff in here. Cool. So it's not just a knife apparently, but look what we got. We got some stuff. We're gonna go over this stuff real quick because Jimmy took his time to get this all together for me. Appreciate you, Jimmy. I'm keeping most of this stuff. Might give a sticker or a Band-Aid away, but a couple Band-Aids, which is always handy. Let's go through the stickers real quick. Got some Jimmy Crow stickers. He gave me a bunch, so whoever wins this will get 1, 2, maybe 3. Oh, geez, he gave me 5. Thank you, Jimmy. I'm going to put one of these on my sticker board, definitely, and I'll use these for giveaways in the future. We got a Kelly paracord, Kelly's Mishmash. Nice. Apex Carry EDC. What else we got? Robert Jones. Robert Jones. What's up, buddy? I got one of your stickers now. Got Trisha's sticker from Opad EDC. Dang, a CVV sticker. A Bolstered Blades. All right. And a Gardens of the Blade. Look at all these stickers. Oh, we got more. I'm not even there yet. What's that? Grizzly Bear Leather Crafting. Unboxing American Made on YouTube. Nice little All American Made. Oh, that's pretty cool. Is this a Far Side comic? Heck yeah, I haven't seen one of these in forever. The livestock would gather every morning hoping for one of Farmer Dan's popular airplane rides. If you guys don't know Far Side, man, you're too young. Then we got a note from Jimmy. I'm going to go ahead and read this out. All right, so I think he's talking. Oh, wait, geez. I forgot more. Flightanium. And I'm pretty sure this is probably from Kelly. Oh, yeah, it is from Kelly. So this is mine. You guys aren't getting this, okay? Maybe. I don't know. I'm not sure if I'm going to give this one. All right, we'll talk about it. I might give you guys. I might keep it. I don't know. Whatever. I'm excited right now, guys. Sorry. So, like I just said, let's get the knife out of here. Thinking actually. Here it is. There's a knife. It's a Y-Start. I don't actually own one of these, so this is technically a mission knife for the time being. All right, so knife was donated by Sean Fleming, Watch City Knives. He said he acid etched the blade with a sponge pattern and dyed the scales lightly with black. Keychain is donated by Kelly White from Kelly's Mishmash. Congratulations on your channel's growth and hitting another milestone, my friend. From Jimmy. Jimmy, you're a saint. I love you, buddy. So I know I'm really shaky now. I'm normally shaky, but this is awesome. So you saw this. You'll be getting some of these stickers in the giveaway. You'll be getting possibly this. I don't know if I just give this away. It's my first thing from Kelly. I might have to keep this one. I'm not sure yet. I do have something else on the way from Kelly, so we'll see. Anyway, I might keep the paracord, Kelly. I don't know. Anyway, stickers. I'll give you guys some stuff, but some of this stuff is my keepsake. This comic. The comic in the letter of mine. I'll definitely give you a Jimmy sticker. It's my first Kelly sticker, but I know I got more coming, so I might give this in the giveaway. We'll see what happens, guys. I don't know. I'm so excited right now. But I will be keeping some of these stickers for me. But the giveaway is not just going to be this. I will be giving away a couple more knives and some other things. but I'm on it's, milestones. You gotta go balls to the wall. So anyway, here's the knife. Why start? And I forgot what was the name of the knife again. Sorry guys, I'm excited right now. Does that say the Geno 2? I don't know. I can't read. It's a knife and it's nice. So let's look at this thing. I am so excited right now. I did see a picture of it, so get to see it in person. And ooh, look at that, guys. Let's look at the scales first off. Feeling like G10. I'm gonna look the knife up later and get more info on it, but that dye job on the scales. I mean, these are probably orange to start with. He put a little black on there to make it look like wood, and that is really, really cool. Really nice. Really nice work. Now, let's main attraction, the blade. Holy moly. Look at that pattern. Whoever wins this is lucky. I want this so bad. I want this knife so bad, dude. Oh, man. Look at that. Both sides. Look at that pattern. Isn't that nuts? That is freaking cool. I'm sorry if I'm like stuttering or more at a loss for words than normal, but Jimmy, dude, Jimmy, you know what you're doing for sure. That is beautiful. That is freaking beautiful. Look at that. Ah, I'm not, I mean, I know it's for a giveaway, Jimmy, but oh man, this is so cool. So I'm not comparing this with anything, but tell you what, we're not going to talk more about the giveaway. I will do a subscriber giveaway, Mammer Jammer video, whatever you want to call it. But this is going to be the highlight, okay? So 300 subscribers, you get this Jimmy Crow modified, beautiful. Look, can you, dang. It just, I mean, the video camera doesn't do it justice. I'm going to put that up. This is great. Let's do the regular things too. No wiggle. I mean, he's not gonna give a crap knife. We know that. But that ergos, the size of the blade. I mean, everything about this is my jam. So Jimmy, you made it really hard to give this away. I'm gonna wrap things up. I'm super excited. This will be in my next giveaway. The comment video will be coming out hopefully next week if I hit that 300, which I'm pretty sure I might. Thank you, Jimmy. Thank you, Kelly. Thank you, Sean. I'm going to put your info in my description. This is a happy day. I'm so excited right now. I get to give this badass knife away to somebody, and it makes me super excited. Look at that. Last look at the blade, but when you see this in person, whoever wins, this thing is slick. Thank you all for watching. And like I said, Jimmy again, thank you, Kelly, Sean. You guys are amazing people. And I'm going to keep the chain rolling. I'll be donating a knife or two to Jimmy so he can mod those and send it off to somebody else. And I'll be sending that out to him soon. So Jimmy, if you're watching, you'll be getting some from me here soon. And I appreciate it. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you all my veteran brothers and sisters and active duty folks. I'm sorry. I'm at a loss for words right now. Thank you all so much. I'll see you in the next video.